Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be all about my September BOXYCHARM. And I'm so excited to dig into what is in this month's box. I'm so excited about the products in this month's box. So yeah, let's keep it short, sweet, and simple. So if you guys want to see what's in this month's BOXYCHARM box, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I might look a little weird, and that's because I only have like my base products on, my foundation, concealer, and powder, and I'm about to go into the brows. But we have a brow product. So this is the first one we're filming. It's been a couple months since I've done one of these, so if I seem off, it's probably because I haven't done one in a couple months. So the theme of this month's box is BOXYCHARM All Access. I'm not sure what that means, but that's the theme of this month's box. So the first product, besides the brow product that I'm about to talk about and about to apply onto my eyes, is one that I'm not going to be using today in today's video, which is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. And this is such cute little packaging. I love the mint green, but the inside mask looks like this. I wonder if it has like oh, it's got a little seal on it, and it looks like it's going to be mint green. Oh yeah, so it almost feels and looks like a hydro gel type. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like lavender, kind of, or eucalyptus. I don't know. Anyway, it smells really good. I'm not going to be trying it out in today's video, but I'm definitely going to be trying this out. The claims on this sound amazing. This says that it deeply hydrates, moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation, locks in moisture to prevent water loss. So the biggest thing for me there is the reducing of redness, because I have lots of redness. You guys see my skin all the time on camera, and it's super red. So I'm definitely going to be using that at nighttime to see if it does diminish any of my redness. But let's move on to the next product, which is a brow product. So this is the BDB Billion Dollar Brows, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen in the shade Dark. So I don't know if this is going to be my shade. I do have darker brows, so I'm assuming that it's going to be fine. But we're going to see. It doesn't have a spoolie or anything, I don't believe. No. So I'm just going to brush them out with my current brow pencil that I'm using, which is my e.l.f. brow pencil in the shade, I don't know. I think it's in like dark brown or something, but I'm obsessed with this again. I love it so much, and it's only a couple dollars, so that's amazing. This little tip is very, very like a microblade-esque type thing. Let me zoom you guys in so we can get into the brows. So you guys can see up close what's going on. Hello. That was so dumb. Okay, so basically, I'm just gonna start trying to draw brow strokes in my brows, see if this gives me hair-like strokes, I guess. I don't really know if I see anything coming out. I see a little bit towards the front, but I'm not sure. Okay. Let me try the other brow. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do you think it's doing something to my brows? Okay, so here's my verdict on this. I actually really like it, but I think this is definitely a product that you would want to use if it's more of a natural brow that you're going for. I feel like this does a good job of adding a little bit of volume, a little bit of darkness to your brows, but when it comes to like evening them out, I feel like you would still need a pencil or a pomade or something to kind of fill in and make those edges even. So I don't know if I'm just gonna go ahead and leave them like this. Yeah, let's leave them. Let's leave them just like they are. I am just gonna go ahead and brush through them with a spoolie real quick and set them down with a brow gel. Okay, so that was the second product. It's already happening. I'm already forgetting everything. So that Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask is $52. That's insane. That's expensive. That Microblade brow pen is $18. So we're already very high up in price on those two products. So that's awesome. Okay, so I think this month's, I'm going to keep you zoomed in because the next product I'm going to need you zoomed in for as well. I feel like this month's box is definitely focused mostly on like the upper half of the face, lots of eye products and everything like that, which I'm excited about. But my favorite kind of products are base products. The last products in the box I'm going to show you all together because they're all for the eyes. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we've got going on. That's why I have you guys zoomed in still. So the third product that we got in this month's box is the Violet Voss Essential Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. And this is what, hold on, this is what it looks like, just like this. And the inside looks like this. It's super beautiful. I'm actually really, really excited to play around with this palette. And I don't have anything from Violet Voss, so I'm excited to see how it turns out, how they work and everything. So the next product, the fourth product that we got is the Moda Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit. It comes with 5 brushes, and let me pull them out really quickly. I'm so excited. I love this line of Moda brushes, this especially with the grippy like black handle. I think it's so pretty. We got a brow type brush, like a liner brush. We have a more condensed blending brush, a more fluffy blending brush, and then we've got sort of like an elongated pencil brush, and then a packer, more short brush. And so I'm really excited. We're gonna be using these for the eyes today. And one more product is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Blickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. That's a long name. But yeah, that's the third product, well, the fifth product that we got in this month's box. So let me go ahead and tell you prices, and then I'm gonna do my little eye look, my little spiel, do a quick little eye look with the brushes and with the eyeliner. The Violet Voss palette is $29. The brush set is $27.95, and then the Hank & Henry Blickety Blackety eyeliner is $20. Okie dokie, so I'm going to take the color Sand from this palette, and I'm going to use, does this have names on them? BMX 430 crease brush, and I'm gonna put this into my crease. Something I'm already noticing is these shadows are pretty powdery, both when you tap them in the palette, but also on the eyes. They seem kind of chalky. So that's just the first thing that I'm noticing with this color, at least, the color Sand. But I like the color. I think the color is really pretty. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Terracotta on that same brush and just add this a little bit more onto the outer V and concentrate it a little bit more in the crease. This shade is a little bit patchy. I'm having trouble blending it out a little bit on this side. And then I'm just gonna dip back into that first shade, Sand, and just blend out those edges. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear my fan. It's too hot, so I have it on right beside my mic. Okay, I'm just gonna get a clean blending brush. Not one from the pack because I don't want to dirty one of them. But I'm just gonna take a shadow brush that's clean, and I'm just gonna blend out these edges a little bit. These shadows are giving me a lot of trouble, and I'm not sure why. Then I'm gonna go into the BMX 466 shade brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Cinnamon and buff that on my outer corner and on my lash line. And then without any extra product on the first brush that we used, I'm just gonna blend out the edges. And then I'm going to clean off the BMX 466 shader brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Gold, and I'm gonna spray my brush and put this all over my lid. I'm so excited for this shade. And then I'm just gonna go back into that first brush and take a little bit of Cinnamon again, just lightly, and blend out those edges to make sure they aren't harsh or anything. Okay, so now is liner time. I'm so excited, but also very nervous. You know, I don't do wing eyeliners that much, so we're gonna have to see what we're thinking. And I'm nervous, so we're gonna try and do a wing, but we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so I did it. I don't know how it turned out. I think it turned out okay. I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, but while we're waiting for the lashes to dry, I'm gonna go back in to the palette for my lower lash line. So I'm first going to take the shade Sand and take it on the BMX 420 detail brush. I'm just going to buff this on my lower lash line. I feel like this color really doesn't stick to my eyes. It just kind of flies everywhere else. That's kind of annoying. And then I'm just going to take the shade Cinnamon and buff this on my, actually stamp this on my lower lash line. And lastly, I'm going to take the shade Cream, which is the bright inner corner shade, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner and highlight my brow bone as well. Let's see if I can do this without any setting spray. Oh, she's cute. Okay, so now I have my lashes on and the eyes are finished. I'm going to finish up the rest of my face really quickly, bronzer, blush, all that stuff, because we are done with our box, and I'll be right back to tell you my final thoughts on the products. Okay, so I finished up the rest of my makeup, and I think this box is so good. I am really impressed with the products that we got in this month's box. I think the most exciting thing that I'm most excited about is probably the brushes, which one of them decided to float away already and I just used them. So I don't know what that's about. But anyway, I really like these. I think if I were to choose a least favorite, it would probably be this palette. I feel like I struggled a little bit with just blending it out, and I don't know, I just feel like they were unnecessarily kind of hard to use. But I still like the eye look. I think it turned out really pretty and very fallish, matches my shirt, you know. But I'm also really excited to try out this face mask. I really actually like the brow pen. I think I'm going to be using this a lot more on more natural days when I don't know, I feel like they turned out pretty okay. And then I also really liked the eyeliner. I feel like it's super black, was super easy to put on. It's also a brush tip, so that's really nice. But yeah, I really like this month's box. The overall value of this month's box was $146.95. I feel like that's probably one of the more expensive boxes that we've ever gotten, and I think it's probably because of this mask. But anyway, it's $21. I say it every single video, but it's so good. You find at least one product that you like, and it's worth at least $21 most of the time. So it's incredible. You get to try new products, and it's just incredible. How many times can I say incredible? It's amazing, and I think that everyone should at least try it for a couple months. They are amazing. I know I haven't filmed one in a few months, but the past 2 boxes have been amazing as well. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up before you leave. And if you like my content, then make sure to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Once you have subscribed, please make sure to turn on the little bell notification so you're notified anytime I upload. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.